Welcome to Coder Station.
Hey guys, welcome back to Coder Station again. Today in this video, we are diving into another exciting feature of Bootstrap, which is Toast. This lightweight, customizable notifications can add elegance and interactivity to your web projects. So let's get started. But before moving forward, please ensure that you have subscribed our channel, which is Coder Station, and please like, share this video. So talking about what are toast. But before that, I would like to ask you whether have you ever got such notifications like this or this. So obvious, these are Bootstrap toast. So toast are actually small non-intrusive notifications which are used to provide quick feedback or updates to users without interrupting their experience. They are perfect for status messages, alerts, or even confirmations. Now I would like to tell you the features of Bootstrap Toast. The toasts are non-intrusive notifications. They can be dismissed manually or automatically. Third, it use animations for smoother transitions. And fourth, they are fully customizable with content, position, and timing. Now here's the basic structure of a toast in HTML. The toast class container holds two main parts: the toast header for titles and close button, and the toast body for the messages. So here the first class which is here is toast. So it is the main class for initiating a toast in your program. The second one is the toast header. So in this you have to write the title of your toast, followed by a button which has a class of button close. So this will ensure that a button will be provided after the title, that is following the name of the title, if you want to close that particular toast. Then we have the next class as toast body. So in this toast body, we have to write the content which we want to show the user or which we intend to show the user. Okay. So now we will see the difference between toast versus alerts, because there is a confusion between students that what is toast and what is the purpose of alert. So first, toast are temporary notifications, whereas alerts are persistent messages. So this is the main difference between toast and alerts, that toast are temporary in nature whereas alerts are not. They are persistent in nature. Okay. Then the second is toast can be dismissed manually or automatic. Okay, you can manually also dismiss them, that is you can manually cancel them, or you can set a timer so that they can be automatically dismissed. Whereas alerts can be only dismissed manually. There is no function like auto dismissal in alerts. So these are the two you can say difference between toast and alerts, so that the confusion between the students will be cleared off right now. Now we will move ahead with the actual practical approach of our toast. So now we will see a program of how to actually you can say how to implement toast using Bootstrap. So first we will declare a class named toast. Before that, I would like to clear that I have already set up my Bootstrap CDN links, as I have told in my second video. So please follow that links, and you can say please implement those links, and then you can get all those Bootstrap functions in your program. So first I will create a class name as toast, and I would also write a word show following the word toast, because this is an important word. The show keyword actually helps us to helps the Bootstrap show the toast, that is it helps to make it visible on our browser. The next thing is we will implement is the toast header class. So I will write here toast header. So in this we will write the title of the toast. For example, I am writing Coder Station. So this is the title of my toast, and I would also have a button which will be used for dismissal of this toast. So I will write a button and I will give it the class as button close. Okay, so this will ensure that a button close class, that a button close function of Bootstrap will be implemented over here. Following uh, one more keyword as data bs dismiss. So once the button is clicked, it will dismiss this toast. So this is what it states. Okay, now we will get out of our toast header. Now we will create another class of toast body, and in this we will have the body, that is the content which we are going to add in our toast. For example, code station is a tech YouTube channel. So this is my content. Now we will execute this program. I will show you. So this is the output which we have got after executing our code. This is a simple code. Please note, this is a simple code. It is not a customized code. If we code more, if we write some more CSS, if we add some CSS to it, then it will look more attractive. But for now, I have just used a simple code for showing you how a Bootstrap toast is being implemented. Now, after I click on this button, the toast will be dismissed. See, this is manual dismissal. And if it goes automatically, then it is called as auto dismiss. So that's a quick overview of Bootstrap Toast. They are flexible, easy to implement, and a great way to enhance your web project's interactivity. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Code Station for more content like this. See you in the next video. Thank you.